In this video we will create this wiggle effect. What you're gonna need is Wiggle Bones add-on. It's free. You can check the link in the description. Set the Wiggle Bones. First you need to add armature for your object. In pose mode, select the bones that you want to make it wiggle. Go to the bone properties, then active the Wiggle Bone option. Actually, if you go to object mode and play the animation, the wiggle effect is already there. You just need to parent the bones with the object. Bake the wiggle bones. I tried many methods to bake the wiggle bones. And there is a lot of error when I try to bake it. But I found one way to bake it. At first I thought that you can't bake it if there are any keyframe in the armature. But when I try to animate the empty object, then parent the armature to the empty object, so the armature don't have any keyframe, then bake it in the pose mode, it's not working. So I try to add one random keyframe to the armature. Then delete it. Go to the pose mode. Select the bones, then bake it. And it actually works. I don't know why you need to add then delete the armature's keyframe to bake it. But I tried this method 3 times. And it still works. That's all. Thank you.